wake up in the middle of the night, heart pounding, staring at the ceiling, wondering, is this it? You got bills stacked like skyscrapers, dreams buried under student loans, and a job that's sucking the soul right out your chest. You scroll past people living your life on Instagram, and something inside you whispers, that should be me. But then the alarm hits 6 a.m. and you hit snooze on your destiny. Stop. Right now. Close your eyes. Feel that fire flickering in your gut. That's not heartburn, baby. That's belief trying to break free. Will Smith said it. The only thing that I see that is distinctly different about me is I'm not afraid to die on a treadmill. You willing to die on yours? Or you ready to run until the world knows your name? Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat it. Life is a street fight. No referee, no timeout. Just you, bloody knuckles, staring down doubt, debt, and every hater who said you'd never make it. You got laid off last year. Your girl walked out. Your credit score looks like a zip code. You eat ramen like it's gourmet. And every morning, you look in the mirror and see a stranger wearing your face. That pain? That's tuition. You're enrolled in the University of Hard Knocks, and the degree is unbreakable belief. I know you're tired. Tired of starting over. Tired of explaining why you're still grinding at 30, 40, 50. Tired of family asking when you gon' get a real job. Tired of the voice in your head that sounds like your ex, your boss, your failures, screaming, you ain't enough. But here's the secret they don't teach in school. Pain is the doorway. Every champion you admire walked through fire barefoot. Michael Jordan got cut from varsity. Oprah was told she was unfit for television. J.K. Rowling was a single mom on welfare, writing Harry Potter on napkins. You think they didn't cry? You think they didn't want to quit? They just decided the story ends different. Let me take you back. Picture this. Little kid, hand-me-down sneakers, holes in the soles, watching TV, seeing mansions, private jets, red carpets. Teacher says, be realistic. Daddy says, get a trade. But something in that kid's chest beats louder than logic. Fast forward 20 years. Same kid, now grown, sitting in a cubicle, fluorescent lights humming like a prison. Clock ticks slower than a broken metronome. Boss breathes down his neck. Dreams collect dust in a notebook under the bed. One day, the layoff email hits. Subject line, company restructuring. Translation, we don't need you no more. He drives home, hands shaking on the wheel, pulls into the driveway of a house he can't afford, sits in the car, silence so loud it screams. Then he hears it. That same heartbeat from childhood. Boom, boom, boom. Not panic, purpose. That's the shift. Right there. The moment the victim dies and the victor is born. You don't need permission. You don't need a cosign. You need a decision. Say it with me. I believe in me. Louder. I believe in me. Good. Now act like it. Belief ain't a feeling. It's a weapon. Load it every morning. First round. Discipline. You don't feel like working out? Do it anyway. You don't feel like studying? Open the book. You don't feel like cold calling that client? Dial the damn number. Discipline is belief in future form. Second round, focus. Cut the noise, delete the apps, unfollow the dream killers. Your timeline should look like a war room, not a circus third round. Faith. You can't see the mountaintop, but you climb anyway. One step, one rep, one page, one no, closer to yes. I need you to understand something. The universe is conspiring for you, not against you. Every closed door is a redirect. Every hater is a coach. Every tear is ink for your testimony. You are not behind. You are being forged. Steel, don't apologize for the fire. Diamonds, don't complain about the pressure. You are becoming unbreakable. Let's talk numbers, not the ones on your bank statement, the ones in your story. 86,400 seconds in a day. How many you wasting? 1,440 minutes. How many you investing? You sleep 8 hours? Cool. That leaves 16. 16 hours to build an empire. Elon Musk sleeps 6. Beyoncé rehearses till her feet bleed. You think they special? Nah, they just decided average ain't an option. You scared of failure. Good. Fear is fuel. But let me hip you to something. Failure is a liar. It shows up in a cheap suit, whispering, "You done." But check the fine print. Failure don't get the last word. You do. Thomas Edison, 10,000 failed light bulbs. He didn't fail 10,000 times. He found 10,000 ways that didn't work. Then, boom, light. Your failures are R&D for your comeback. Now, let's get raw. You ever lost somebody? Parent, friend, child? That hole in your chest? That's sacred ground. Plant something there. Plant purpose. My mama died when I was 19. I carried that coffin like I was carrying the world. 6 feet under, but her voice rose up. Don't you dare quit. Every time I want to give up, I hear her. Who's talking to you? Who's watching from heaven, waiting on you to win? You owe them the victory. Let's talk money. You broke? Join the club. Broke is a balance. Poor is a mindset. You can be broke and rich in belief. I started with $27 in my account. Ain't had a car. Took the bus to auditions. People laughed. Look at this fool chasing dreams. Now they ask for tickets. Money follows mission. Find the problem you were born to solve, and the provision will chase you down. You in a relationship that's draining you? Leave. Not tomorrow. Today. Love don't live in cages. If they can't see your vision, they can't share your victory. You need a ride or die, not a ride and cry. Somebody who wakes you up at 3 a.m. saying, "Baby, let's work." Not, "Baby, let's Netflix." Health. You can't conquer the world in a hospital bed. Put the soda down, pick the weights up. Your body is the only home you get. Treat it like a temple, not a trash can. Sweat is liquid belief. Every drop says, "I'm coming." Now, the dark part, depression, anxiety, that 2 a.m. spiral where suicide looks like peace. I've been there. Pills on the nightstand, note half written, but something stopped me. A whisper. Your story ain't done. If you're watching this and you feel like ending it, don't your breakthrough is on the other side of this breakdown. Call somebody. Text HELP to 988. You are not a burden. You are a blessing in the storm. The world needs your light, even when you can't see it. Parents, you got kids looking at you. They don't care about your excuses. They mimic your effort. You scroll TikTok, they scroll TikTok. You grind, they grind. Be the thermostat, not the thermometer. Set the temperature. They'll dress for the weather you create. Entrepreneurs, your idea keeps you up at night. Good. Sleepless nights are the tuition for legendary days. Write the business plan. Shoot the video, launch the product. The market don't reward perfection. It rewards motion. Done is better than perfect. Ship it. Artists. Your canvas is blank. Your guitar gathers dust. Your pen ran dry. Pick it up. The world is starving for your soul. Van Gogh sold 1 painting in his life. Now his work hangs in palaces. Create like tomorrow don't exist. Students, that exam ain't the end. It's the entrance. Study like your family's freedom depends on it. Because it do. One degree can break generational curses. Walk across that stage like you're collecting reparations for every ancestor who couldn't. Athletes. The gym is empty at 5 a.m. Be the echo. Your rivals are sleeping. Your legacy is waking. Pain is temporary. Quitting is permanent. Run through the wall, believers. Faith without works is dead. Pray like it depends on God. Work like it depends on you. The Bible says, faith is the substance. Substance ain't smoke, it's sweat. It's sacrifice. It's showing up when nobody clapping. Now, the rise. Close your eyes again. See it. The house on the hill. The sold-out arena. The book on the bestseller list. The kid who looks like you but walks taller because you showed them how. Feel the goosebumps. That's your future knocking. Open the door. Here's your blueprint. Step 1, decide. No more maybe. Step 2, declare. Tell the world, post it, tattoo it, scream it. Step 3, do, daily. Discipline over dopamine. Step 4, endure. Storms come, stand anyway. Step 5, dominate. Not for ego, for legacy. You are not what happened to you. You are what you choose to become. The alarm clock is ringing, not for work, for war. Suit up your opponent, yesterday's version of you. Beat him senseless. I believe in you, not because it's cute, because I see the giant in your eyes. You were born for this moment. The world been waiting on you to wake up. So wake up, rise up, run up the score. When they write the history books, let them say, they counted him out. He counted himself in, and the world never recovered. Now go. The clock is ticking. Your destiny is calling. Answer it. I'll see you at the top, or I'll see you on the way. Either way, keep climbing. This is your movie. Direct the hell out of it.